Save it for your pool.
Yes. Woohoo! Pool time.
There you go.
Baby, your birthday's in 5 days. You're gonna have all kinds of stuff. Okay. Be happy for him. Okay. Okay, baby. Just be happy. Look.
See what was.
Yes, I love the Bijanis. Say you love them. Okay, you're gonna have a good time too. Okay.
I think hers is on Wednesdays. I think hers is on Wednesday.
I have to look at the clock there. Doesn't matter what day.
Yeah.
Give me the clothes. Yes.
Nike socks.
Yes. Give me the clothes. Sure.
Mine.
You guys, I told you to buy things that have a thing.
What are you talking about?
This, a drawstring, because he's so skinny. Oh, this is nice. I really like
Got a
this.
new cover.
Oh, yay. It doesn't go to, yeah. What you got?
A
Yeah.
Nike jacket.
Oh, this. Look at this. Wow.
Just like Rihanna.
Wow.
Grab it.
Look at you. Boy, you made out. Look at you. Oh, yes. I'm going to play that with
bowling.
you. I'm going to play this with you.
Going bowling.
Yeah, okay, no, not yet, baby. Go get some more
We're
presents.
trying to
Not
play
yet,
now,
not
huh?
yet. Not yet, but I'll open it up.
Yup. More Spider-Man, more clothes.
Yep, more Spider-Man
You are set.
and more basketball.
And more.
Oh,
My
this is
God.
from Nene. This
He
is
doesn't
from
need
Nene.
no more socks.
That's from Nene.
Is that Nene's sock?
Yup.
Oh, my goodness. Look at you got.
But who needs a racetrack? Excuse me, get out the way.
Wow. Not yet. Go get some more. We got one more.
No, don't open the door.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
For what?
Yes. Wait for it.
I can move.
Rihanna getting one too. An orange one.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, got you a Lamborghini now.
Yeah. Open that.
Hey, Rihanna, don't worry. You're gonna get you an orange one. Okay?
I want Tina an orange one. Tina Turtles orange one.
They don't have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle one, but I'll try to find one for you.